Queens and Kings. Welcome back, Queens and Kings. So we're gonna be doing some sconces. You guys know I am the queen of sconces. But anywho, I have different sizes of gems here that I'm showing you guys. The ones in my hands are some larger gems that I purchased from Amazon. The ones on the right is from Amazon as well, and the smaller ones, those are from Dollar Tree. Now I'm also using 3 of Dollar Tree napkin rings holder. I'm gonna use 3 for each sconce, so I'm gonna be doing 2. Here I'm basically just trying to measure and see how far apart that I need to place these 3 sconces apart, because where I'm placing the big diamonds at, that is where the bigger diamonds are gonna go in between. So here I'm placing some hot glue down inside of the napkin rings, because I'm going to use these popsicle sticks that also came from the Dollar Tree to secure them and hold them together, so therefore they don't move. Okay, so now that we have our popsicles in place and securing our napkin rings how we want them to be, I'm basically just going to go back and add some more support as with glue to make sure that these are secured together completely. Even though I believe once I started putting all the glue and the gems down together, gluing them together, it won't come apart. But just extra precaution, because it's going to be up on our wall. This is going to be up on our wall. So anywho, I'm just going to do the same method that I have done before if I use any type of wire or any type of object from the Dollar Tree and using gems with it. I place a nice amount of hot glue down, which I am using the Gorilla Glue sticks. I place some glue down on each end of the napkin rings as you guys see here, and then I place the gem. It just glue, glue, gem, glue, glue, gem, until I actually get the desired look that I am going for with the big ones here. And once again, I will be using the big ones in between where the 2 napkin rings meet. So therefore, it just gives it a different design, a different style, so it just won't be all small. So anywho, I'm going to continue doing this until I get the desired look that I want, like I said. Queens and Kings, I just want to say thank you guys once again for your love and your support that you guys are showing the castle. Thank you guys so much for just being royal and just sticking with me, actually sharing the video, commenting on the videos, actually motivate me, encourage me to continue pushing the videos out, because I see this is what you guys love it and this is what you guys want. So I am here to serve you all. Yes I am. But anywho, if you are a new Queen or King just stopping by browsing to see what I got going on over here, why don't you go ahead and consider being a part of the castle and hit that subscribe button, that's that red button, and also turn on your post notification bell, so therefore you don't miss out on anything that I upload as in a DIY at this castle here. But anywho, to all my old royal Queens and Kings, thank you guys once again for actually continuing to be royal and showing all your love and support. Now let's continue with this glamorous sconce. Okay, so far this is what we have, and this is how I look with just the bigger size of gems, which I'm liking it because it brings a little more depth, a little more difference, more little texture to the sconces. So now we're going to move on and add in the smaller sconces. And once again, I'm using two different sizes or two different kinds. One is from Amazon and one from Dollar Tree. And the reason I'm doing that because I wasn't sure the ones that from Amazon was going to be able to cover both sconces. Well, you guys see one, I'm going to actually do two. Duh. But anywho, we're just going to place a nice amount of glue down, and then we're going to place a gem on it. And when you get ready to add another gem, you're just going to place a nice amount of glue and then add another gem. But not too much, just enough so the gem can stick to the glue and it's get tacky enough to stick to the next gem, because you don't want to see this glue once it's all dry, it's all even though it is clear. So I'm going to just continue doing that method until I actually fill the whole entire thing up. Place a nice little amount of glue down, place a gem, nice amount of glue, gem, and just so on. Okay, Queens and Kings, so as you guys can see, I'm almost done, I'm almost finished, and I'm working on both at the same time. That is crazy. But I think these is going to be gorgeous. These are going to be gorgeous after we get ready to put the batteries and everything in them. So Queens and Kings, I do have the LED sensor touch lights that I did order from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. Now these was the lights that I thought was going to be able to go in the mirror sconces that I did for you guys using Dollar Tree. And yes, I have my little helper there, Andre, but they require 3 AAA batteries, if that's what those are, or AA batteries. I don't know, but they do come with this little backing that you can stick them on some, so you can just put them in your hallway or wherever you desire to place them at and stick them at or whatever. But this is how they work, and like I said, I'm loving these. Did I say that part? I don't think I did. But anyways, I love them because it's just a touch, and they on and off, as you guys can see here. Those two little dots there, that is actually on the face of the light. But I just love this. I just love these. These are gonna work out just fine. So I don't have to have jamming, turning on the lights or anything in the bathroom, because that's where these are going. And as you guys can see, I'm just sliding and pushing them in there now. If it would have been a little tad, little bit bigger, they wouldn't have worked. So the gods was on my side when I decided to do this here. So here they are, queens and kings. They up on the wall, and I use these little clear thumbtacks that I did have lying around the house because they're very light. That's one thing I do like about them, and they look so gorgeous in the bathroom. Just look at them. They are beautiful, and these light just work just fine. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you guys can see how gorgeous they are as well in the dark, so I can save some coins on my light bill as well, honey. Yes, yes. But anyway, I just love these queens and kings. So here they are with the light off, the main light in the bathroom. Like, see how gorgeous these are? I mean, these are so beautiful. These turned out better than I actually thought they would turn out. Like, these are drop dead gorgeous. I love them. Now, I don't know. I don't know. Only thing I would change about this is, as you guys can see, the popsicle sticks in the back. I did not paint those. I totally forgot to paint them, so I will do them off camera. So, but I just love the way that these turn off, and these are it with the light on, without the lighting itself on, just the bathroom light. They are still gorgeous. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this little DIY. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video, and you guys continue to be royal.